welcome back to the channel. We're trying hard, really hard, to get the videos back out to you guys at least once a week. He's going to let you know what we're doing today.
Yeah, so today we are on my buddy's 2004 Softail Deluxe. He's building it for his wife to get ready for Bike Week right now. So we're going to just doing some quick makeover stuff, kind of like cholo it out, waiting on the fishtail exhaust. I think that's like an 8-week wait, but we can go ahead and put on some exhaust we have laying around. We're going to go ahead and do some fat spoke wheels and tires.
And this is everything she's been picking out, right?
Yeah, she's picked out everything. So I think really just the wheels and tires. Already got the front end on it. And just basically putting the bike back together and getting it ready to go. Eventually we'll put some bigger bars on it, so this is all just kind of temporary. But yeah, let's go ahead and get started. We'll go ahead and start throwing on our front wheel. Okay, front fender. And I can go ahead and bolt on our brake. Okay. Backside?
Sure.
It's looking good, right? I mean, I won't know until we get the correct bolts in here and this pulley's sitting straight, but the belt's awfully close to this little plastic guard in here. In worst case scenarios, I just pull it apart and trim it out a little bit. It's not bad. Well, that's good now. Now that I rolled it, it's fine. I think it was just the way the belt was sitting. It's perfect. Good deal. Fender? back ones have to go on first because there's a nut underneath here you have to tighten up. Damn it! I messed up. I forgot to put this bracket in first because it's got a nut behind the strut cover that has to be tightened up first. My bad. Go ahead and stick our tank on there. I'm sure Sally ain't very happy about going on there. The next day we went ahead and threw on our dash here, and really the last thing we have left to do other than waiting on the exhaust, and actually we're waiting on some pulley bolts for our rear pulley so we can actually drive it, is throw on the rear seat, and we're pretty much done for now.
Wrapped up until you can ride it?
That's pretty much it.
So we haven't done a giveaway in a while, and we're getting out of hoodie season, so I think it's time to graduate from the t-shirts, and we are going to be giving away it's a Dickies brand button up. It's black and gray collared, and it'll have our Budget Rebuilds logo on the front pocket as well as the back. What we need you guys to do is go to our Instagram, Budget Rebuilds, follow our page if you're not already, tag 3 people. We're going to run it all month long, and then at the end of the month we'll pick handful of winners. We haven't decided how many yet, but we're gonna run it until the end of the month. So again, go to our Instagram, Budget Rebuilds. Follow our page, tag 3 people. We'll have a picture up. I don't know if we'll do it. We'll do it under this thumbnail for this video. So tag 3 people. We'll announce a winner at the end of the month, and we'll do a couple of winners, so it'll be more fun. So Dickies, shirt, button up, collared, trying to do something different. Hope you guys like it. Hope you're excited about it. And if you haven't already, like this video for us, subscribe to our channel, and get us on the next one.
Thanks, y'all. See you next time.